Global Heart Activation is here. And it's not just because it's Valentine's week. This is the second annual Global Heart Activation that I've facilitated. And we have 30 amazing speakers, healers, coaches. And this is a pre-event panel with some of those speakers, up at 3:30 in the morning to be able to do this. So thank you very much for your dedication. I would love to go around the room and have you introduce yourself. So your name, where you're from, and what had you want to be a speaker in this event. So who's ready?
Hi, good evening or good night. My name is Tineke Rensen. I am from the Netherlands, but I'm living a digital nomad life. So I'm currently traveling in Vietnam for 2 months and working, as you can see. I've never worked with Tiffany before, but I'm really honored. We had a beautiful conversation, and I think she's so well connected and so well prepared with everything. So I'm really looking forward to be in this summit. And what I want to bring to the table is I have collected a lot of ancient and lost knowledge about the power and the energy and the healing powers of water. And that is what I use. I work with people and I help them reconnect with the water, which is like a water wide web, like our internet, but then water. So they can get answers from anything, everything, all their life's questions. So yeah, I'm really thrilled to share that lost knowledge and ancient wisdom with everybody in the summit.